Now let's record a video to show everyone how to use the remote controller. Pull out the antenna first. Press and hold the power key, then release when it vibrates. If the buttons and joysticks are not returned to their home positions, the remote controller will sound an alarm. The screen now shows throttle warning. Push the throttle joystick down to clear the throttle warning. The screen now displays switch warning. The screen now displays switch warning. It also indicates that switches SB and SC are not reset. Manually reset the two switches. Then the lights for channel 5 and channel 8 are still on. We also need to manually turn off the lights for these two channels. The remote controller is ready for normal use under this condition. This is the channel 5 switch on the remote controller. It corresponds to the servo horn fine-tuning function. This is the channel 6 switch. It is the flight controller throttle switch. After turning on this switch, the butterfly will not move even if you push the throttle. This is the channel 7 switch. Channel 7 is the stunt switch. Beginners are advised not to use this function. Please keep this channel turned off. This is channel 8. This switch is used to toggle the light mode. Press it twice to toggle the light mode.